Hi everyone. Now that the weather's finally starting to get a little bit nicer, springtime's a great time to purchase a new garage door. Most generally, our pricing is a lot lower in the springtime. The factories are just kind of getting geared up for the summer seasons, and fall is the busiest time. So give us a call. We do have a lot of standard like raised panel doors in stock, a few different color options, and special order doors are a quick 2 to 3 week turnaround time to get in. 2 weeks usually this time of year because, like I said, the factories aren't too swamped right now with orders. So if you're thinking about purchasing a new garage door, it's a great time to get one installed. So give us a call, 810-688-3655, or check us out at our website at whitesgaragedoor.com. Have a great day.